Good morning, students. Today we will be discussing the new unit, that is unit number 3, spreadsheet, and the chapter is session 1, using AutoSum in cells. Before we will be starting the session, what is how can we use AutoSum in cells? Do you know what do you mean by spreadsheet? Student, spreadsheet is a program in which we do calculations, we perform mathematical calculation, and spreadsheet is basically Excel. You all have heard about Excel in MS Office. So spreadsheet is basically how we tabulate data into rows and columns, and how we do computation. If you want to do computation, if you want to do calculation in computers, we use a software that is known as spreadsheet. Spreadsheet is basically a collection of rows and columns. So and in that there are the 3 active sheets, as you all know, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. So in this chapter we will be able to learn about how we use various functions in spreadsheet or in Excel, and how we can perform calculation. And if I want to perform calculation in Excel, one of the most important calculation function in Excel is AutoSum. AutoSum means if I want to use a sum function, if I want to do plus in Excel, I use AutoSum function that contains a M sign, and it is available under the home tab and in editing group. There is a what you call it, a tilted M sign that signifies AutoSum, and it is available in home tab under the editing group. So how you will be using AutoSum in that? First of all, you will enter the, as shown in the screen, you will enter the data. You will enter the data in Excel, and suppose you are entering the data. First of all, you are entering serial number and student name, class, section. What you will do if you want to use AutoSum, first of all you have to select the range from the cell where you want to use the AutoSum function. Suppose you are using AutoSum function in D column, so you will have to drag from the range A1 to C1. Whatever calculation or whatever numeric data is there in that particular column will be there in D, and you will press enter. Automatically all the calculation or the tabulation that is there in that column will be calculated in the D row. AutoSum means that whatever range you are selecting, it will automatically calculate the sum of that particular range which you have selected. Across that, there are many features. There are many features in AutoSum. One is, if you want to calculate other mathematical functions, if you want to calculate the average, count, maximum, minimum, you simply have to use that function by typing in equal to then name of the function. Suppose if you want to count how many characters are there, so you have to write equal to count bracket and the range from where you have to count, A1 to A10, and then close the bracket and then press enter. So it will count the number of records it will be there in your row and column, whatever the scenario you have selected. So now we will be talking about maximum and min function. If you want to calculate the maximum number of records in the document, so you will have to use the maximum function as it is shown on the screen. If you want to calculate the min function, then what you will have to do, you will simply have to select the number of cells, the range of cells for which you want the minimum function. Here in this example it shows, if you want to calculate, so the cells here are from B10 to D10. B10 to D10 signifies that there are number of records there in B10, and you have to select the range from B10 to D10, and then you'll have to enter equal to min and then range B10 to D10, and then you have to press enter key. After pressing enter key, the minimum value which is shown in the screen, which is shown on the figure, will display the minimum value that exists in the cell range from B10 to D10, and it will be displayed in E10 because you have entered the sum, or you have entered the result in E10. So that's why you will use various functions of Excel. We have discussed AutoSum, we have discussed minimum, we have discussed maximum. So you can use these functions in Excel, and you can perform mathematical calculations. So thank you so much, students, and have a great day.